When we were glued to our television screens and social media on 4th June, the future of lakhs of students were hung by a thread. Here I am talking about students who appeared for the NEET examination, an entrance exam which opens the gates for undergraduates to medical institutions across India. Hello, this is Amina. Welcome to SW News English. The NEET results were out on June 4. This result has become a controversial point, and in fact there is now a knock on Supreme Court's door. The National Testing Agency NTA released NEET results. Approximately 2.4 million candidates appeared for the NEET entrance exams on May 5 across 571 cities and 14 centers outside India. The exams filled 1,08,940 MBBS seats, which are distributed among more than 700 medical institutions. The NEET results garnered immediate attention because they came with some unusual occurrence. 67 candidates in NEET scored a full score of 720 out of 720. They have secured All India Rank 1. There were candidates who scored 718 or 719. The skeptics are deeming that scoring such marks in NEET's framework is unlikely. Soon after this, the results started facing legal challenges. A plea is lodged in the Supreme Court and two petitions are filed in the different high courts. These pleas and the petitions are challenging the validity of the NEET results and urging a reevaluation of the exam. Bigger and controversial point is that it was found that 8 of the 67 candidates are from the same examination centers in Haryana, with their sequence numbers being the same. Then comes the NCERT book controversy in the picture. Among these 67 candidates, 44 of them reportedly answered a basic physics question incorrectly and gained extra marks due to an error in an older version of the NCERT Class 12 textbook. When candidates disputed over conflicting information in the textbooks, the NTA opted to not penalize the students by emphasizing the importance of candidates relying solely on NCERT textbooks for NEET preparations. The NTA has disclosed that due to a surge in candidates in 2024 NEET exams, there is an increase in high scores. The instances of candidates scoring 718 and 719 were justified by NTA as compensatory marks awarded to individuals who faced time constraints at certain examination centers. Then comes accusations of leaked question papers. These accusations were strongly denied by the NTA. The NTA claims that these rumors spreading on social media are untrue. Meanwhile, investigation into the matter is on and arrest related to impersonation were made. Then comes the concerns over early release of results. Questions are raised over early publication of NEET results ahead of the scheduled date of June 14th. NTA has justified this by stating that results are declared at the earliest on the completion of necessary check post the answer key challenge period and results are processed as per the established procedure. Now let's see what are the legal challenges emerging in the controversy. The Calcutta High Court has demanded a response from NTA regarding alleged irregularities in the examination process. The Delhi High Court is hearing a petition challenging NTA's decision to grant grace marks. Then some candidates have approached Supreme Court demanding a fresh exam due to alleged paper leaks. The Supreme Court has scheduled the next hearing for July 8th. Moreover, the Congress party has demanded a high-level probe under the Supreme Court supervision into the NEET exam. Congress has also accused BJP of cheating youth and playing with their future. Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge has said that paper leak has become an integral part of many exams including NEET. He has directly blamed Modi government for this. Well, that's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching SW News English and download our app News Shorts to get the latest news and updates. Stay ahead with our cutting edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.